The top 4 schools have been decided as Funabashi City, Amori, Yamoda, Amoi, and Horikoshi Municipal. Funabashi vs Amori Yamoda at the national tournament. Amoi vs Horikoshi both in the final for the first time high school scorer championship. On the fourth quarterfinal of 102nd National High Scorer Champion were held in various locations. This tournament started on the 28th. The top 4 have already been decided. Make a peace sign from the stadium. Amori Yamoda, meaning to win for the first time in two tournament, will play against Shoi Stoma. Amorish Yamoda win the penalty shootout in the second round, and Shoi win the penalty shootout in the second and third round, making it a matchup between two teams that show their competitive strength.